A common problem with these SentrySafe Pistol Safes is the strut starts to lose its compression and it doesn't open. This is actually working better than it was before. I'd taken the strut out and let it sit for a week, and it actually works better than it did before. It would only open to about here. But anyway, a quick fix you may or may not have seen, but on YouTube there are videos that show you how to replace the strut inexpensively. You can get these right here on Amazon for less than $11 for 2. The easy way to change this strut: don't bother taking this out. You need to retain this connector anyway because it's quite a bit thinner than the one that comes on the Apexstone struts. This is too wide, so if you use this one, it won't fit. It'll hit against the safe here. So don't even bother taking that off. That way you don't have to take this connector off the ball or any of that stuff. All you have to do is remove this screw at the bottom with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then take the strut and turn it to the left and it will unscrew from the connector. You have to keep that connector anyway, so why take it off, right? Then take the bottom part off because you'll also need that and the spring. Then take your new strut and reinstall in reverse order. Take a ruler and put it right next to the latch. The 7-inch mark is right there, right about where the edge of this safe is right here. With the original strut in place, we measure the opening from the top of the box here right next to the latch, and it measures 10 1/4 inches. What I figured out was that, taking the screw back out again, the connectors at the end of the strut, they don't really need to be all the way screwed in. So on the top one, I just added a couple of small washers, which gives plenty of thread left. Okay. And this bottom part, you can screw this out about halfway. You could put a washer in there if you wanted to, but I didn't find it was necessary. Take your bolt and put it back in. Now, we'll close it. Reopen. Then we take our measurement and in the same exact spot, and now we're at 9 1/4. We're going to try make sure it opens properly. It does. And take our ruler and put it in the same spot again. 9 1/4 inches. 9 1/4 inches with the new strut. Try it again. And there we have it.